Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Volvo XC90 on a 72 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside you can see that it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot space first. As you can see, the tailgate on this car will open electronically, and you can also see we have reversing sensors and 7 seats. Very easy to drop these rear seats down, as easy as that in fact, and you can see there the amount of space you'll have as a 5-seater. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see that it's in fantastic condition the entire way around. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer. On the right-hand side, we have the gauge. It shows you how much of the power you're using in the car. We've also got the gear there. So it's an automatic. We're in park currently. The satellite navigation is being displayed in the center. You can change that information using buttons on the steering wheel. You can also access your total miles for the car. They are 26,766. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was just using are here. We have cruise control over on the left-hand side, and then into the center, the main touchscreen. So one physical button to take you back to this screen. You can swipe left and right on any one of these panels, or simply tap that particular panel to open up, in this case, Google Maps. We have an audio menu with Bluetooth audio just there, as you can see, and you can again tap on that should you wish to open that menu further. Below that, we can pair up our phone. Once we've done so, we've also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available. And at the bottom here, our climate control menu. So you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature, the fan speed and direction of the air. Air conditioning is turned off and on at the top here. You can access your air-conditioned driver seat, your heated driver seat, both of which have 3 settings each, your heated steering wheel. You can, for the passenger side, access, of course, not the steering wheel, but both the seats as well. And if I pop the car into reverse, we have a 360 parking camera. You can select any one of those cameras, should you wish to, for a, in this case, reverse camera view. Below that, we have physical stereo controls. We can open this section to reveal a 12-volt charging socket. We have wireless phone charging if your phone is compatible with that. 2 cup holders, and you can close that whole section over. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. This is where you switch the car off, which is what I've just done, and switch it back on again. We have an electronic handbrake with an auto hold function. And then lastly, the panoramic glass roof. So there is a slider up there. Put your finger onto that, slide it, and you can open up the sun blind, as you can see. You can leave it like this, and as you'll see there, it lets in a huge amount of extra light to this cabin area. But if you wish to, you can also open the front section as a sunroof. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork that we have for the vehicle. So in the envelope here is the spare key, so 2 keys in total. The V5 registration document showing it's a 2-owner car from new, and then the service book for the vehicle as well. So pre-delivery inspection done in 2022 and services in 23 and November of 2024. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. Similarly, we'd be more than happy to do a live bespoke video tour as well.